Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Rathburn, and I'm here today to talk to you about SureSmile technology. SureSmile is really a diagnostic and treatment planning platform for orthodontic treatment. When I first started orthodontics, it was done in a more traditional style. And there were really two ways to do things. One was to place the braces on the teeth. You would have to take wires and you would have to bend them themselves. Very time consuming. Then orthodontics changed into what was called straight wire technology. And straight wire technology is where you put the brackets on the teeth, you do some leveling and aligning, and then instead of bending wire, we would take the braces off and replace them into a better position. So what SureSmile has done, when a patient starts treatment, we allow it to put the braces on the patient's teeth, and then we do some general leveling and aligning like we have normally done in the past. When we get to a certain point after leveling and aligning, we're able to take a scan of the patient's face, of their gum tissue, of their bone, of their brackets, and we get a digital reading of all of this about the patient. So we have a digital patient then that we're going to work with. And then the computer knows where the teeth were when we did the scan. It also knows where we would like the teeth to be. And then they have robotic technology that allows wires to be bent to go from point A to point B. We're not the artists anymore. It's really about technology. We have robots that are much more efficient than we are, and it allows shorter treatment times that are much higher quality and much more efficient. And because everything's digital, you can change a treatment plan. You can consult with the patient. You can have digital views of how things have started, how things have ended up, and then you can talk with the patient about how things are going. So it allows us good diagnostics, good treatment planning, and then good execution of those treatment plans.